Hi, I'm Peter Haddock, and I'm at the Formula One part of Digbits here in Rugeley. This machine type is made for Formula One teams to actually produce their own cars, which is amazing. Raw materials in by robot, in this case. Finished goods out, and this is welded to the bucket, the pivot of the bucket, so therefore integral component to this machine. So Jet, you are in charge of the Super CNC area. Tell me all about it. What is this machine and what have you got in this section?
This is one of our newest machines. It's a lathe with a robot. It's got a full probe in there, so it measures all the parts before they come off. If anything changes while it's machining and it measures the wrong part, it'll stop straight away.
So this is full robotic machine control. It's programmed by this huge monitor. You've told me I have to hold these so I don't touch this monitor.
That's right, yeah.
This is like the control center central, isn't it? What happens here?
From here, you can program the parts, put the part number in.
And it shows you the whole design, folks, of this actual part right there on the screen, the whole design. So fundamentally, this allows us to make these parts on a 24-hour cycle potentially, isn't it?
You can fill that rack up. It'll do all the rack until it's finished. Yeah.
Fantastic. And so you've got some other CNC machines here as well, all made by the same Mazak?
They're all Mazak machines, yeah.
So what else have we got?
We've got one over there. That's another lathe with a bar feeder. Another lathe over there. It's a lot bigger than these two. And a vertical machining centre behind you.
So this is millions of pounds worth of equipment here, folks. All doing a fantastic job to make these components. I mean, are this below millimetre accuracy? What accuracy are we getting on this?
You can machine them to microns.
Microns, that's just tiny, folks. Can't even see it. So we go from this to this in next to no time, and this is what makes the bucket quality critical component, this, isn't it?
It is, yes.
Fantastic. Thanks for letting me in the Formula One section. I feel like I should race off now. See you later, folks.